Okay, so my research is all about protecting alpine fauna, and the obviously introduced predators do a huge amount of damage to New Zealand birds and things in beech forest, podocarp forest, around our rivers and our coast. But up here in the mountains, things have been traditionally been seen as a bit safe from the effects of introduced predators due to the cold. But what we're seeing now is that stoats, obviously a cold adapted species from northern Europe, the whole Arctic, are knocking off our birds up here, as well as lizards and invertebrates. So we've kicked off with this research to find out where and when different species are at a big risk of being predated by stoats, so we can better protect them. So if you're an alpine creature of some sort, your chance of being predated by a stoat is a combination of how many stoats there are and how often stoats are eating things like you. So my research deals with that second point, the diet. Stoats being stoats, they're quite cryptic, they're quite widely distributed. They're a hard species to study, so I've had to get clever about it. I'm using a biochemical technique called stable isotope analysis. So I'm getting carcasses of stoats from areas like this trapping network, like the one here in the St Arnaud Range, and 3 other national parks around the South Island. I'm going to look at tissue samples from those carcasses of stoats from these trapping programs, and tissue samples from prey items of what the stoats might be eating, and through that chemical signatures I'll be able to figure out how much the stoats are eating different prey categories up here, and hopefully that'll lead to us to be able to better protect all our magnificent alpine species.